Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by checking system basics, free disk space, and virtualization. Once done, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD V so emulators run. Next, download the BlueStacks installer or Android Studio. Pick one based on simplicity versus developer tools. Run the installer and follow prompts, accept permissions, and let the installer add virtualization drivers if asked. This gets the emulation layer ready, so you can sign into Google Play and run apps like on a phone. Once the emulator launches, sign into your Google account to enable Play access. You need this for purchases and app sync. Make sure emulator settings match your machine. Allocate 2 4 CPU cores and 4 8 GB RAM for smooth performance, set graphics to OpenGL or DirectX based on prompts, and enable folder sharing or ADB if you want file transfer. After signing in, open Play Store and let it update. Syncing contacts and settings ensures apps behave like on your phone. Install apps from Play Store and drag shortcuts to your desktop or emulator toolbar for quick access. Make sure Google Play Services and the Play Store app fully update. This avoids crashes and payment errors. If an app needs storage, enable shared folders or move files via drag and drop. If something goes wrong, first reboot emulator and host OS. Second, re-enable virtualization in BIOS or clear Play Store cache and data within emulator settings. That usually resolves sign-in or install failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.